Akunta Mining chairman Wontumi the Ashanti regional chairman for the New Patriotic Party. And also so any man warning say ene so wa me piem e wo CID headquarters na ye say na ye huna na che say the next day no so be another arrest. Said the almost storm in fie ho a be yen sem bebre oto ne Africa Ghana fo nyina azam sorry na de akika kone de enye enti ene ono ankasa esesa ne ho one ne lawyers omukọ ekopiem ewo CID headquarters na ono so alleged charges are de abobo no say he's mining without a permit and he's doing galamsey and I mean he's satano Nimre forest and also so say wakom without an authorization wakakobuem man permit bia anti yes and also ekokopie mu na lawyer and the appear could be ne lawyer odi nanim and in the team omukopie me wo CID headquarters na yenko ne yenkohwe omo appearance before they entered into a meeting with CID yenkohwe omo appearance omo di PA or CID premises ho ye be sa basese here
wait for a while so please kindly go to the side go ahead.
Okay what is it that will be here?
Wait for a while so please kindly go to the side go ahead.
Okay, enti chairman Wontumi on any lawyer and the appear could be na yekwohwe omo what the premises of CID headquarters omo na omo akwakohia CID na emu nsem a ebepia ba no so ye be ma mo updates na updates na free ho ba no so ne say we nenka ye no so arrest but onu ankasa de no ho koye na yamani bail of 1 million Ghana cedis with 2 sureties and ye ama chairman Wontumi a say the next update is also say etina Tuesday obeka ko PM or court because investigations are not on the side of CID omo ye ni nyina ene okopie ma ye nsem bi toto na nim say charges he dey aboni investigations na ha ane aye akwakwa kodru enti efre china ekode I mean see you in court enti eno any nsem a ekokọ so said the current government or my imagine some be fight here galamsey there was a question told you because na President John Dramani Mahama obeba no ma enya ntie say ohwe galamsey na akasa omo ye galamsey no de omo tete East Legon no omo tete Adam papa bi mu ewo ye nkran ha ani Kumase mountain so baby na omo wo inside akasa omo ye adwuma ne de I mean omo ye laborers omo ye adwuma nti oba he will go straight after the campaigns omo ankasa na omo ye galamsey na akasa no yes 10 months down the lane still now who say galamsey no ekoso today there was a question say chairman Wontumi and yachini and I say for the past 6 months any ODCID any NIB akoni abey does it mean say within this period no ye galamsey ni bi but ye nyina enim say galamsey na yeden that's why ekoso enti yes a lot of questions ekoso bebre enti yenko ne yenkohwe lawyer and the appear could be then some of the two almost meeting with CID no what exactly went on dia ankasa na CID for ebisa omo na nsembe no almost ekan chair CID nti yenko ne yenko lawyer and the appear could be the lawyer to chairman Wontumi na yentie ensemo a almost etudwa ewo CID meeting na say ye beba sisi
so it is incorrect to anybody to suggest that we have been lukewarm to the invitations from the Attorney General's office. I do that. So it is incorrect to anybody to suggest that we have been lukewarm to the invitations from the Attorney General's office. I know that the Director General works for the Attorney General in terms of prosecution. So I consider the discourse between my good self or my office and the Director General's office as equally by extension to the Attorney General's office. So I am sure there was some communication gap that resulted in this impasse. But I want to express my disappointment in the warning that the refusal to defer the meeting. The warning was that it should Wontumi fail to appear he will order the arrest of Wontumi and go to a trial. Indeed, we don't need to unnecessarily increase the political temperature in the country. We have not at any point in time decided or refused to respond to invitations. And you see, the law is also that anybody, accused person or a suspect, ought to be given adequate time, preparation, and even resources to be able to prepare his defense to any charges prepared against him. And then let us also not forget that accused person is not considered guilty until proven so, and therefore he has to have a right to his civil liberties. Indeed, when we go to the court, the bail, police inquiry bail continues up to the point that the charges are filed in court, and then we make an application to the court for the bail to continue, and we will justify that with our performance so far during the time of the bail, and also capacity of Wontumi as a person, Ghanaian, and a very known character, and somebody of substance in society. And then we'll make a case of his right to bail pursuant to our application for bail. So we are early days yet. So far, 2 points that I can emphasize. We have not been charged so far. We are waiting any charges, if any. And we have been granted police inquiry bail. And we have responded to all invitations, all, and I want to emphasize, all invitations we have responded. It is also right in our practice that if for any reason you cannot respond, you make an application to the authority inviting you and indicating the reasons why you cannot respond at that given time, and also pray for an agreed time, which will be the time for both parties to be able to present themselves, and then we continue with investigations or prosecution. So we will always be dutiful in responding to calls from authority in all cases where my client is involved in either investigation or in prosecution. I thank you very much for your attention this morning, and I also thank you for the diligence that you attach to this particular case. We are trying to develop the law, all of us together. It is our responsibility as practitioners to ensure that we collaborate even in the courtroom to ensure there is a judicial decision.
Okay, and see a chairman Wontumi no lawyer and a quartin and can ordain some to Janon. Calvin say some of these press briefings need be or and a chairman Wontumi na no dear ni but see idea abobi aka or sebi because see idea chairman entimi image na nimu enkasa bebre sa see bibia ye ne lawyer until say be di asem ni be wie de unye nya chairman Wontumi say I mean okasa enti yes ne sama odi to dwa no o kire say invitation bia e dia momu bia no oma ona time bia ye be from bia no omo appear eye before eye the CID na nsembisa bia nso ye bisa omo no omo bo omo humodin eyi ano kama e de ma eye CID no as CID eye 1 million Ghana cedis eye bill eye conditions aye de ma omo no ene two sureties no CID I mean enu amu e na be ma echina omo akwakopiem e wo court aye betoa eye asem edie ni so no enti yes I mean the fight against eye galamsey and some bebre na ena akokoko so a the current AG acting AG or they need some abeto just say almost setting up a very separate court, and as I mean court, I mean a separate team omo ebe looking into some of these galamsey issues assembly by with a rapt attention and speed omo be try na omo the judgment aba any galamsey related issues be anti way any ensem bebre na CID omo headquarters ehuru pa ma omo ko support omo nkofo any omo so a omo ko din akwakwa answer omo questions no omo etimi akwakwa di juma kama ewo ho a chema Wontumi any former attorney general Godfred Yebo Adame omo mienu nyina eko PM ewo CID headquarters ama ensem no ni nyina de abremo the outcome of these two meetings are also Ned Dre CID headquarters ni nyina abremo na manfo bebre bisa questions say no how far with a galamsey fight and what is really going on. Said the medical kind we were promised says say a buy a better campaigns no more church in Angasa. Dodo na so very aware says party way ba which means a dane concessions no party members omuguso no mo ye adwuma no omo ya na party foforo ba na dane sa na ekoso dodo na is allegedly confirming some of these situations ekoso a forest no enti the question still stands. Say as announced ye ni NDC ni bia panyi bia oda so yes adwuma ne kai say enche bia na